Attention ZZ2 dealers and installers. Today I want to talk about this new product, which is the ZZConnect Plus. This is actually a very hot product we are releasing this week, and it will create HDMI input into the cars with the OEM CarPlay, wired CarPlay, or it can also be used with aftermarket head units with the wired CarPlay. So it's a very unique product. It's coming to the market. I'm pretty sure it will upsell most of the other streaming interfaces that we have in stock, and if you compare with the units out there, this is going to be much better and easy to use. It plugs into the factory USB, the same port that you use for wired CarPlay. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do the unboxing, showing you all the parts that comes in the kit. Stay tuned, and if you guys have questions, just put a comment over here. Let's chat about it. So ZZConnect Plus, so it comes in a very nice package. So here's the module, very tiny unit, and it has a USB-C, and it comes with a mini HDMI port right there. So in addition to the module, it comes with pretty much all the parts you need. It comes with a mini HDMI connector, which plugs right into the module, and to the other end it is a regular HDMI, and it also has two cables, so it supports those cars with a USB-A and USB-C. So you see this cable here, it's a USB-A to USB-C. This side plugs into the module, this plugs into the car, and on the other adapter it is USB-C to USB-C for those newer cars which has USB-C port for wired CarPlay. So once you receive the ZZConnect Plus and you have questions, we do provide a QR code right on the box. When you scan it, it will take to the how-to page, and it will show you all the details about it, and you're gonna find out how easy it is to use. Very simple. There's no hotspotting, there's nothing else involved. You only need to have your phone plugged in. It uses the data from your plan, so there's no limitations at all. Here we have the ZZConnect. This is a next level entertainment for every single car with wired CarPlay. If we installed any IT3s or ITZs or any product from our ZZPLAY family into older vehicles that didn't have CarPlay, so now this is a great opportunity to call every single customer and upsell entertainment. There's no installation, very simple connection at the USB port. So now you have kids playing PlayStation 5 with a single USB and a HDMI connection. You can watch Netflix, YouTube TV, Hulu, Disney Plus, a bunch of different options of streaming services. So if you have questions or if you need more information about the ZZConnect Plus, give us a call, 929-220-1212. Access our website, ZZ2.com. Like the video, share with your customers and friends, and get the ZZConnect Plus today.